Goodbye visa, goodbye passport. Yes, that's the headline making waves around the world. The US government has officially confirmed that travelers from select countries will soon be able to enter the United States without showing a physical passport or visa at all. But of course, there's a catch. The system behind this major change is called ESTA, the Electronic System for Travel Authorization. Think of it as a completely digital express visa that replaces the traditional tourist or business visa for travelers from countries under the Visa Waiver Program. Here's how it works. Before you even board your flight, the ESTA system runs a digital background check, fully online, no embassy visits, no interviews. You just need an electronic passport, a few minutes to fill out the form, and a $21 fee. Once approved, the ESTA allows you to stay in the US for up to 90 days for tourism, business, or transit. However, ESTA doesn't guarantee entry. The final decision always rests with the Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officer at the port of entry. So, even with an approved ESTA, the border agent has the authority to deny you entry if your details don't match. Right now, this system applies only to countries in the Visa Waiver Program. That includes the UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand, among others. Sadly, no Latin American countries like Mexico, Colombia, or Argentina are part of the program yet, though talks are reportedly underway. Applying for ESTA is simple. Visit the official Department of Homeland Security website, fill in your personal details, answer a short set of security questions, pay the $21 fee, and you are done. Most applications are approved within hours, but it's recommended to apply at least 72 hours before travel. And while this move promises faster check-ins and shorter queues, experts warn that digital doesn't always mean simple. ESTA still cross-checks your data with global criminal, health, and terrorism databases before approval. So yes, the age of digital borders is here. The US is joining the growing list of countries adopting biometric and chip-based entry systems. Maybe we'll miss the old passport stamps, but now it's as easy as looking into the camera and saying, cheese. Like this video to get recommendations for regular updates. Subscribe for more global immigration, visa, and travel policy breakdowns. Immigrant Edition.